Deuteronomy 23 verse 17. There shall be no cult prostitute among the daughters of Israel, nor shall there be a cult prostitute, a sodomite, among the sons of Israel. You shall not bring the wages of a prostitute or the price of a dog. A dog is a male prostitute. Dog was the name given to male prostitutes in the Bible. Let's read on. Into the house of the Lord your God, as payment for any vow, for both of these, the gift and the giver, are utterly repulsive to the Lord your God. The word dog in the Strong's Hebrews means a male temple prostitute, a male devotee by prostitution to licentious sexual sin and or idolatry, licentious, promiscuous and unprincipled in sexual matters, an unclean male person.